Hello and Happy New Year. This equation is one of those equations that look quite hard, but are very easy to solve once you spot the pattern. Now, to solve this equation, we are going to start by dividing both sides of the equation by x. When we do that, we have that x minus 1 to the power x minus 1 over x is equal to 1 over x. Now, you can see that here we have x minus 1. In the exponent, we have x minus 1 over x, and on the right-hand side, we have 1 over x. Now, the trick to solving this equation is to let x minus 1 be equal to 1 over x. Of course, you know that when we rearrange this equation, we have that x minus 1 over x is equal to 1. So now, when we substitute 1 over x for x minus 1 on the left-hand side, then here we have 1 over x. Now, in the exponent, we have x minus 1 over x. But remember that when x minus 1 is equal to 1 over x, then x minus 1 over x is equal to 1. So this is now going to be equal to 1. And on the right-hand side, we still have 1 over x. So you can see that when x minus 1 is equal to 1 over x, the left-hand side of this equation is equal to the right-hand side. So to find the values of x that satisfy this equation, we simply need to solve this equation. So we have that x minus 1 is equal to 1 over x. To get rid of this fraction, let us multiply through this equation by x. X times x is x squared. 1 times x is x. And of course, 1 over x times x is equal to 1. Now, to solve this quadratic equation, let us complete the square on the left-hand side. To do that, we divide minus 1, that is the coefficient of x, by 2. Square it and add to both sides of the equation. So we have x squared minus x plus minus 1 over 2 squared is equal to 1 plus minus 1 over 2 squared. Of course, you know that this is a perfect square. So we take 1x and we take 1 minus half and we square both. You know that when you expand this, you get exactly that. And this is equal to 1 plus minus half squared is 1 over 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is equal to 5 over 4. From here, we have that x minus half squared is equal to 5 over 4. When we take square root of both sides of this equation, we have that x minus half is equal to plus or minus the square root of 5 over 4. This is equal to plus or minus the square root of 5 divided by the square root of 4, which is equal to 2. So we have that x is equal to half plus or minus root 5 over 2. So the two values of x that satisfy this algebraic equation are x equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2 and x equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more videos here.